Hi guys, I've just got this guy hanging right here. He has been caught up, not sure what he was doing. And calm down, relax, good boy. Yeah, I know, calm down, come on, just chill. There's no way you're going to break out, come on, you're gonna break your leg, will you? Will you come down? Yeah. Okay, I got you, yeah? I got you. Here we go. Alright. Yeah, one of you to get caught up. Yeah, looking scared. Yeah. Oh, you don't mind selfie? If I help you. I have to pull this camera away somehow. Alright, let's see how